It's the next day and it's Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. It's also Juneteenth, so happy Freedom Day to all the Black Americans out there. And it's also my HBCU's Founders Day, so happy birthday, Tennessee State. So so today is just full of celebration. Right now we're on the way to West Hills Mall to get some ice cream, and I'm probably gonna get some chicken from Chicken Inn because I haven't ate nothing but some popcorn all day and I'm hungry. It's like almost 8 o'clock, or is it 8 o'clock? Almost 9 o'clock. But yeah, I didn't finish my vlog yesterday because I had so much fun, but I was out of it too, so I couldn't even finish my vlog. I was so tired. So I'm just gonna resume it today, and yeah, so when I get to the mall, I'll holler back at y'all. Once again, happy Father's Day. I had to come to Pinkberry instead for obvious reasons, but we're in Pinkberry now. It's packed. I'm about to go inside and I'll show y'all. By the way, these are one of the pair of glasses that I bought yesterday. How y'all liking them? Now I want to get some prescription in them because they look so cute on me. Like if I had glasses like this, I wear glasses instead of my contacts any day. Like any day. But they're not prescription. But they are so freaking cute. Never had it before. It's the flavor. I guess I'll go first. You know what? You don't know.
That you had.
I got y'all. I'm recording myself. The heck? This is what I got.
I just want to taste the chocolate just a little bit. You always behind, but it tastes good here.
I never eat yours.
Say cheese. Yes.
Me?
Both of y'all. Come over. Okay, we're at West Hills Mall. I finished my ice cream. Now I'm about to get some real food. I always end up eating ice cream before I eat real food. No, you're not. I'm about to hide them for you. Give my glasses back. They don't even look good on you. I wanted Chicken Inn, but I changed my mind. I want this traditional place. I never had it before, but my dad said it's really good. I'm trying to talk loud because the music is so dang on loud over here. I've been wanting to try this place since I've been here, but I never tried it because I don't know. This part was sitting there in that vlog. Oh, okay. It's called Kent's Coffee Shop. I thought it was Second Cup, but it wasn't. This the place. What if my flash keep on coming on? Like, to update y'all, my dad ordered banku and fish with light soup, and so did my little sister. This is my little sister's first time having traditional food. Oh my god. Look at her eating her banku. She's struggling. Y'all know what I wanted? This is what I wanted. Omotuo with groundnut soup. It's Sunday. Perfect time. One minor issue. It's 9 o'clock. They don't sell it at this time. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I got look at I got jollof with fish. I got jollof with fish, y'all. I just realized that I got that and I should have never got that because now I want some soup. Like I really want an omotuo, bro. How can you replace omotuo with jollof? Like, be for real. I get jollof or some kind of rice every time I go out.
Eating more stuff.
Okay. You should get the orange soda. It's amazing.
Okay.
What are you guys having? Orange soda.
No, actually, I get the Sprite.
Mine is ambidextrous. You know what that means?
I'm pretty.
Yep. And you can go in to eat.
This is what I got. It looks so good. And some sauce.
No fish.
But this is the close-up on my glasses. What is it giving? What is it giving? Material girl. All right, guys. Well, that's the end of my vlog. If you were on my live today, then you saw that I went to KFC. After we left the restaurant, I sat outside the mall for a minute, and then we went to KFC, and now I'm back home. So yeah, I'm gonna close this vlog out today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye.